What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do a really quick room tour here at the Westin Frenchman's Cove retreat in St. Thomas in the US Virgin Islands. So this is the room. It's 2214 that we're staying at, and here at the Westin they give you these little armbands, and these basically you can use as a room key. So you just put it right over there and you can walk right in. All right, so this is a king deluxe suite with obviously a king-size bed, ocean view, and you also have a sofa bed. But yeah, so this key is interesting. You basically just just wear this wristband around, and then that way the hotel staff know that you're a guest, and also you can unlock doors throughout the hotel. So this is actually the key that you get, but you have to leave it in this slot to keep the power on. All right, so first things first, let's just, so you can see the view. You can see the view of St. Thomas with the islands. So this is actually the Cove view, which is a little bit, I would say, quieter than the other side of the resort. Let's just open the door. So the other side of the resort is more of the open ocean view. I would say it's probably a little bit busier. You see a lot of ships going by, like cruise ships and things like that. Anyway, got a nice little balcony over here. Got two little chairs, table. So we're actually overlooking the pickleball courts. That's the Marriott Resort right next door, and you can see that's the main building, the resort. And then this is sort of the side building, the Cove view. All right, so let's go back inside. So one thing to note is if you do open this door, the air conditioning turns off pretty instantaneously. So you do have to keep that closed. Anyways, all right, let's get back to that was the view. Let's go back to the front. So as you enter from the front door, you've got this closet over here. So if I open this, you've got they give you some hangers. There's a shelf, a safe for you to put stuff. Obviously your luggage, things like that. They give you a steamer, which is pretty nice to sort of steam your clothes. And then there is a full-length mirror on the inside of this door. So we basically just kept this open through our stay. If you move over here, there's a little table. You can, put your stuff. And then that is actually right across from the bathroom, which there's this sliding door. Open. You see the shower. You see the vanity, toilet. Pretty large mirror, and it's lit from the back. They do give you a couple of amenities like body lotion and soap and things like that. Nothing really crazy. We basically bought our own stuff. They do give you some shampoo and conditioner. What's nice is that they have these the rain showers, and then they also have the smaller detachable unit. So nice shower. So this resort just got renovated, where I think it's been open for about a month and a half. It was previously destroyed by a hurricane a couple years ago. So, service-wise, it's been okay. It's definitely, they're trying to work out the kinks. Service has been good, but it hasn't been the absolute best. But hopefully that improves. So anyway. So here's your king-size bed, two nightstands next to it with lights. This is the sofa bed, pretty comfortable. And then obviously you have some drawers over here. You've got a refrigerator. You know, bucket for ice. We've got diapers there because we've got a baby with us. Coffee machine, typical Starbucks coffee, and actually a very large TV. It's probably like 65, 70 inches. And then it's connected, so you can, you know, log into Netflix and stuff. But basically, you know, it's all about the view over here. So you have this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Just such blue water, blue, green, so many shades. And then you know, you see a lot of boats out in the harbor, in and out. But like I said, it's very quiet. It's very nice, very serene, peaceful. But yeah, so that's just I want to do a quick room tour. Oh, we've got a mirror over here. There I am. But yeah, overall a really nice resort. Definitely some growing pains in terms of service. I would probably wait a few months. Right now it's October 2023, mid-October. I would probably wait till like, if I were planning to come here, till maybe like December, January, until the kinks are sort of worked out. For example, you know, this floor doesn't have an ice machine. It has one, it's just not plugged in, it's like brand new. So we've had to actually call room service to get get ice to come. Or if you want, you know, in-room dining, the app keeps crashing, will recognize you as being in the room, things like that. So you basically end up having to call the front desk, the concierge, to figure things like that out. So just in terms of, you know, little service niggles like that, you know, which you really don't expect at this price point. But I guess I'm okay with it because the resort has just opened. But it's a little bit disappointing that you know, all the kinks weren't sort of taken care of before opening. Especially this price point. This isn't the cheapest resort. I would say it's probably number 2 after the Ritz-Carlton, which is probably the most popular resort. But at the time that we were booking, the Ritz-Carlton for this type of room with an ocean view was at about $900, $950 a night, versus this was about $600 plus plus local taxes and you know, resort fees and things like that. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this was an informative video, and please like the video. Any questions you may have, please comment on below, and I'll try to get back to them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.